again, I will choose to be a Filipino for the second time of my existence. A brave Filipino who will give their life, to fight the invaders, who have nothing to do but to invade our land, to kill innocent people, and the people who have nothing to do but to fight. And here comes the great Andres Bonifacio, witty Jose Sal, and Apolinario Mabini. These people who don't let pride dominate them. And now we are experiencing what they fought for: freedom, democracy, rights. Where some of us are taking it for granted. The politicians who give back the war to the people, who hold the democracy with their own hands. That's why we always have chaos, rallies, killings, and crime. Now, Filipinos, they don't fight for their freedom. They don't need it. They need a government, a non-corrupt government with feasible senators, profound allies, and witty president. I am a Filipino, witness of present happenings, creating my future, not in hate, but with the foundation of my knowledge. I know I am ablaze because again, I am a Filipino.